Friends, you are watching Synergy Upfit YouTube channel. My name is Igor, and today I'm gonna reveal the newest equipment that we built at Synergy Upfit. And yeah, I'm really happy to show you beautiful, low-profile, lightweight trailer for transporting cars and trucks. This is a 25 feet flatbed trailer. It's made of aluminum platform and galvanized steel frame. But this is really light trailer. It weighs only 2,400 pounds, and that including heavy-duty winch that we installed on that trailer. And of course, we can modify that trailer. We can order it in a shorter version or in a longer version. It depends on what exactly you need. And this trailer is only 24 inches high from the ground, and that allows us to transport box trucks, like 16 feet box trucks, that kind that we build at Synergy Upfit, like a Mercedes Sprinter, Ford Transit, Ram Promaster. You can transport those trucks on that kind of trailer. Okay, GVW on that trailer, that particular trailer is 11,900 pounds, and as I said, the curb weight of that trailer is only 2,400 pounds, which means that the legal payload of that trailer is around 9,500 pounds. And on average, any empty box truck will weigh between 6,000 and 7,000 pounds, so which means that you have more than enough weight capacity. And the reason why we built that particular trailer 25 feet in length is because the full length of a box truck that we built is around 24 feet. But honestly, for those trucks that we built, it would be enough to have a 20-feet trailer. Okay, on a side note, I also want to tell you that we are planning on building tow truck sets, which means that we will build a tow truck on a Mercedes Sprinter with a flatbed platform on it. It will be about 16 to 17 feet in length, and that set will also be combined with a similar trailer to this one. So the idea of that Mercedes Sprinter set is that it will be transporting one smaller car and on its own platform, and towing a flatbed with a box truck, with a full-size box truck behind it. And that would be an ideal solution for hotshot businesses, as well as for expedited transportation companies with their own fleets. So yeah, as I said, the idea is to send a truck like that with a flatbed trailer, low profile, to recover a broken truck and bring it to a company shop, let's say. But on the way to pick up, that truck can take another 1 or 2 cars and make some money and cover their transportation costs. Okay guys, and this is how it's done. now you guys know how it works. Again, behind my back there is a 16 feet box truck that we built for a customer, and there is also that low profile trailer that you can order from us and can use to transport such box trucks. And you do not need a CDL as long as your combined gross weight doesn't exceed 26,000 pounds. So basically, if you have I don't know, any pickup truck or any other truck that can hold a trailer like that and that can accommodate such weight, you can transport such a big truck, and yeah, that's a perfect solution for any hotshot or expedited company. Okay guys, so you know that we build slippers, we build boxes, now we also build manufacture trailers. So we offer a wide range of services and products. Yeah, so if you come to us, we will be able to do everything you need. So we can work on custom orders, and yeah, we are an ideal place for a perfect box truck or any other commercial needs. So please don't hesitate to contact us. Our contact info will be listed in the description of that video, and phone number and email address would be our #1 way for communication. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to like this video and share with your friends, and feel free to leave us some comments with your feedback. We would greatly appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.